Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and power, so the rest of this process proceeds without interruption. Backup critical files to the cloud or an external drive. Once done, charge the device above 50% and plug it in to avoid shutdowns. Make sure to close non-essential apps and note which background processes consume CPU or memory. You will use those observations in the next step to target optimizations and avoid misidentifying normal system services as problems. You now perform deeper changes that actually shift performance. Start by updating the OS and device drivers to apply performance and security fixes. Once updates finish, reboot and reassess resource use. Next, uninstall or disable bloatware and remove non-essential startup programs so memory and CPU free up on boot. Then run disk cleanup and either defragment a hard drive or trim an SSD to restore access speed. Make sure to monitor temperatures and throttling during these actions to avoid thermal. You finish by validating the changes and preparing fallback options. Run real workloads or a benchmark to compare before and after metrics. Once you see gains, tweak power settings to balanced or high performance depending on battery needs. If performance remains poor, boot into safe mode to isolate software problems, check hardware like RAM and storage for errors, and consider a factory reset only after full backups. One key troubleshooting tip: if thermal throttling occurs, clean vents and reapply thermal paste before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.